early days when very few people knew about the web to 3 years later when a lot of people knew about the web, where in that steady exponential growth would anybody say that the web actually happened? There's nowhere. It was an explosion. The explosion is still happening. The semantic web is in the same phase that there are. If you talk to certain groups of people, they're very excited, completely won over. They're all working using semantic web technology. Other areas, they've heard about it, they've got it on their agenda, but they haven't really had time to go and do it. But on the other hand, you can see that it's got this exponential, that it's locked into this exponential growth pattern.
Hans made a point of saying, look, it's really important to have a lot of data. So I want us now to think about not just 2 pieces of data being connected or 6 like he did, but I want to think about a world where everybody has put data on the web, and so virtually everything you can imagine is on the web. And I'm calling that linked data. The technology is linked data, and it's extremely simple. If you want to put something on the web, there are 3 rules. First thing is that those HTTP names, those things that start with HTTP:, we're using them not just for documents, now we're using them for things that the documents are about. All kinds of conceptual things, they have names now that start with HTTP. Second rule, if I take one of these HTTP names and I look it up, I go and do the web thing with it, and I fetch the data using the HTTP protocol from the web, I will get back some data in a standard format. Third rule is that when I get back that information, it's not just got somebody's height and weight and when they were born, it's got relationships. Data is relationships.